This is my voice. And it would be a lot if you guys had subbed to me in like my videos. And I'm just so happy to be doing, and I love this. So Willie, I'm gonna go on a vet game I like. It's called Pet Hospital. And it's basically just levels doing like surgery on the dog and like fixing its teeth and stuff. Like kind of like a dentist. So I'm really used to a little dog because I'm a dog person. But I am also a cat person. You guys have seen my cat in a video. I think it was that funny complication on my pets. I'm sorry I couldn't really get to my hamster because Willie was like, she's on the china cabinet downstairs. So Willie, it's hard to get to her. So like, you'll see all the levels. Level 4 is like the dentist part. So this one is, I think, an x-ray. I have forgot. Oh wait, no. Yeah, this one is the leg cast because, oh my gosh, poor little dog. Okay, but this one is, that info thing doesn't make any sense, but this is basically like a little tiny bit like Roblox, but not very much. It's only like a little tad bit like Roblox, I guess. I'm just gonna skip this because I already know all these levels. Oh, I can't turn my screen. Whoa, remote version. Whoa. Okay, there we go. I forgot I just had to move it to my screen. Well, time to go get my dog's leg cast. So you have to do this racing, I guess. You guys will see. My machine. No. Huh? Okay, so let's just wait a few seconds. Okay. Okay, this is normal. Not very normal. Not normal. Waiting. Much waiting. Can we stop? Oh, okay. Now what? Are we just gonna wait here for? So am I? What? Is there anything to worry about? Nothing to worry about. He will be fine after bandages is applied. That doesn't make any sense. Okay. Well. Oh my gosh. Waiting. Oh come on. Do I have to rub it in there? Ugh. There we go. Really? Oh, I'm already done with that. Why is this happening? I don't get this game. It's so round, but it's like still wet, and then you like put the needle on it. That makes no sense. But you wait, this so cute little dog. I'm just laying in my bed, just thinking about, like, before I was doing this video, I just thinking about a voice video, a regular video, and I thought I would like be, oh my gosh, be kind and like do a voice reveal for all you guys. So yeah. Oh wow, this doesn't even make any sense, does it? Okay, let's go. Oh okay. Honey, 84. Wait, 30 kilograms. Was I A positive? That's male. Rest for a week. Like rest for a week. Oh, what? Oh, excuse me. Hmm. Hmm. What is this? Oh, wow. Can we exit now? Waiting. 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 Okay, I'm not gonna like. Oh, my nose buzzing is all the way over there. Waiting. 3, 2, 1. Wait, is that one? I can't even see this. I mean, I can. Oh well, I already have this. They're gonna do a whole job. Just watch. She doesn't want ice. She's so angry. She like thinks I hate it. Like what the heck? Whoa. Yeah, of course you're making me have to wait. This drink is trash. Yeah, of course it would be. Should you like cut the pineapple then put it in? Like no sense. Okay, now what? Oh, the hot temp. Oh no, no, chewing, chewing. Oh, yeah. I really forgot this. I really forgot that this one was the best. I thought it was like level 4 or something. I really do not know if I'm even on level 4. So just see, I guess. After this level. I didn't even read it when I said pick next. Okay, I'll check them out. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is annoying. Sometimes this will just not let you like pick it up. So it can be like, oh my gosh, this is lag. Very much lag. But also, if you have not seen JJ's video of his voice reveal too, I am in that too, and I hope all of you guys can watch that and help him get subscribers. That would, and I know that would, oh my gosh, and I know that would make, oh my gosh, I keep forgetting, I'm sorry, and that would mean a lot to him. So I hope you guys do help him get subscribers if you have not subscribed to JJ. And his oh my gosh, and his channel name is thanks. Oh my gosh. Well, you guys know his user on Roblox, right? From that egg farm video. That it is his user, and then it is an underscore. Just so you guys know, and you can help him get subscribers if you have not subscribed yet. Either way, I hope you still get subscribers. I'm sorry if I'm talking too much. I just like to talk a lot, but I don't like it when it really like makes me run out of breath. It just like I can't really breathe if I do that. Spam. But oh wow, this is slow. Much slow. What's that load dog? Oh okay. And then where is Tommy? Where is Tommy anyways? Boing. Excuse me, get that one. Oh my gosh. Do I have to like brush his teeth after I pull out this black tooth for you? Come on. Really? I don't really know.